Hello my friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make dotting tool and how to use it in your drawings. I had to make this video because I'm using this tool in my pencil drawings a lot and you will see this tool in upcoming tutorials, so it's better to have one. First of all, let's see what is dotting tool. Actually, it's a tool that is mainly used for nail art and mandala rock painting, but we can use it for drawing wide lines like bright hair in our graphite and charcoal drawings. Okay, for making it, you only need an empty pen which does not work anymore, but you can use it right away. It should be cleaned first, otherwise it ruins your drawing. So I detach the pen parts, then I fold the paper and I cut it with scissors. Then I clean up the ink chamber by rolling the paper inside it. I used a thick paper for doing that. Also, I had to make new bent papers cause a single one was not enough, so you should do this till there is no more ink left. After that, we have the ballpoint tip, which is more important. I clean this with a tissue and a fold paper, make sure there is no more ink in it, and it's completely dry. Please take this step seriously. Don't think just because the pen is not working, it doesn't need to be cleaned. Who knows, maybe it works in the middle of drawing. Then don't blame me. After I attach the parts, I test dotting pen on a piece of paper to make sure it's clean. Then I wash my hands. Don't be messy like me. It's time to work with our dotting pen. The way you use it is before shading, you define all the white lines and texture beforehand by moving the pen on paper. Then when you draw on it, its effect will show through. I use a pen instead of dotting tool because of its ballpoint that moves so easily on paper. Also, I don't have to get a one. And here's how I draw hair in graphite and charcoal with it. For graphite, first I sketch the outlines, then I define all the highlights and bright hair with dotting pen before shading. After that, I draw the first layer with a 2B pencil and fade it with a soft brush. Then with a 4B pencil, I draw the second layer and fade it again. And I do the same for the last layer with a 6B pencil. Finally, I draw some random lines for individual hair and add some highlights with mono zero eraser to make it more natural. For drawing hair with charcoal, first draw the outlines, then use the dotting tool for specifying white lines. Since I draw this from imagination, it's not so accurate, but if you have a reference, you should follow the reference and see where are the white parts. Then with the charcoal pencil, I draw darker and fade it with brush. And for the last step, I add some highlights with mono zero eraser. So that was our today's tutorial. I hope you liked this tool, and please, if you found this video helpful, support my channel. I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and bye!